So today we're going to have a look at Ubersuggest on your mobile and carry out the initial keyword research by looking at your competitors. So if we go up to the menu at the top right hand corner and then go into keyword overview, you can start by looking at a particular keyword or actually put in the URL of a website that you're looking to, or one of your competitors. You also then can select the location. I'm going to keep it to the UK, and we just type in the actual website of what we're wanting to look at. So we're going to have a look at ASOS. And type in the URL and then click on search. Always give it a few seconds just while it starts. You're looking at the organic traffic, how many backlinks that the company has, and what we're looking for is we want to see what organic keywords they are ranking for. What we're looking for here is anything with a lower difficulty. So if it's a new site that doesn't have that much domain authority, or you don't have a big lot of backlinks yourself, you're really looking for anything 30 and below. And the whole point of keyword research isn't just for creating content or written content, it is actually creating content full stop. So video content, also looking at creating content for social media. You're looking at the opportunities that are out there and actually what people are searching for. So by just looking at a company like ASOS, even if we were to look at something like this, we can find out that there are 90,000 searches for cowboy boots every month in the UK. Summer dress and stuff like that is going to be incredibly difficult to rank for, so I would never target something like that. But even you could go around gold heels, look at the actual volume and go, okay, let's create some content regarding shoes with a gold heel. So that would work well on TikTok, it's going to work well on Instagram, Facebook, while it isn't driving the same traffic or search or organic traffic anymore, it still is worth targeting. So you would be creating written content, video content all around gold heel shoes, because there are over 60,000 people searching for that, and not everybody is going to be going for that. It's not just the SEO difficulty that is lower on that one. It's not as many people are going to be creating content around that. There will be more people creating video content and organic content, blogging and so on around summer dresses, but there's not going to be as many people going for gold heel. There's going to be more tips on Ubersuggest. This is just a starting point. So follow and subscribe, and there'll be more content coming soon.